zulu phakathi kwabaqhankqalazi namapolisa. Amapolisa asebenzise izintyuzisi ukuchitha-chitha abaqhankqalazi. Kukwathinjwe nezithuthi ezisibhozo ebezivale indlela. Abaqhubi beeteksi bathi le yeyona ndlela eyiyo yokudlulisa umyalezo wabo.
We need to call a meeting. People must stand up in our area. This is the kind of community where this thing has started. We need to be acknowledged of what we were doing today here. It's not a good thing, but we're all suffering under it.
Our message to the government is they must please help us. Maybe a levy or something, give something towards. Or can't they subsidize us with petrol? Can't they make us a subsidy for the taxis for petrol? Because we can't afford it.
Oluqhanqalazo lushiye abakhweli abaliqela bedinga. Kodwa bayayiqonda imeko.
Yes, I'm working since 5 o'clock with my feet, and I'm working in Kempston Road so far since 5 o'clock this morning because of the taxis. It's not right, young.
Yeah, we're not gonna get paid today because there's no money. Because they're gonna start burning now.
This is not what we expected, but I don't think it's gonna stop unless the government changes their view on how they see us as citizens in response to the petrol prices that went up.
Ukuvalwa kwethutyana kwalohola wendlela u-N2 kubangele ukuxelana kwezithuthi kwesi sixeko. Nanjengoko abaqhubi besebenzise ezinye indlela ukuya kwiindawo zabo. Ndingumcebisi Silengile weendaba ze-SABC eGqeberha.